Time for the last session. I hope you're learning something new. Let's summarize the key lessons that we have learned in this series. Our body has the most sophisticated defense and attack system to fight any virus and bacteria. We need to take good care of our immune system by giving it the right fuel. Right nutrition is most important, followed by exercise, proper sleep, and stress management. Obviously, hygiene is very important, and however strong your immunity is, you don't want to unnecessarily attract a virus with wrong hygiene practices. Any man-made vaccine helps our immune system to prepare against one type of virus or bacteria. But our best defense is to keep our overall immune system in the best shape possible, which can and will fight against any form of virus and bacteria. Does it mean that we shouldn't take medicine and vaccines? Not at all. They are not a substitute for good nutrition. They are partners and not competitors. But be cautious with antibiotics and don't overdo it. Medical industry still has not been able to create a vaccine for cancer. Our best fight against it is taking good care of the immune system. You must be wondering how immunity can prevent cancer. Cancer Research Institute states, the body's powerful immune system can protect us against cancer and is capable of eliminating tumors that have formed. Our immune system fights and destroys cancer cells. If the immune system was not doing its job, then almost everybody would be suffering from cancer. You might also wonder that I am exaggerating. How can eating healthy food lead to prevention of millions of deaths from cancer? Dr. Joel Fuhrman quotes multiple studies in his book, Superimmunity. He states a study that followed women with breast cancer for 10 years found that those women who ate flaxseed daily had a 71% decreased risk of death over the 10-year period. Eating just 5 servings of cruciferous vegetables a week has also been shown to reduce the risk of breast cancer by 40%. And when mushrooms are combined with green tea, it offers a reduction in risk of breast cancer by 89%. Isn't this magical? Just mushrooms and green tea can reduce cases by 89%. And 1 crore people die every year from cancer? You do the maths, how many lives we can save. But we still do not want to learn the lesson. We still do not want to give right fuel to our superheroes, but give them poison to fight cancer and viruses. Right nutrition and lifestyle do not just improve the immune system. It also helps us prevent and fight non-communicable diseases like diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, etc. It would not just improve our lifespan, but also improve the quality of our life significantly. I always believe that every problem is a lesson. If you learn the lesson, it becomes a gift. If you don't, then the problem keeps on coming back. Disease after disease has been trying to teach us to take care of our body. Because we don't seem to learn from it, new forms of diseases keep on appearing, killing millions in the process. We only look for shortcut solutions, attacking the symptoms, but not the root cause, which is right nutrition. Are we going to make the same mistake again this time? Do we want another epidemic to hit us to wake us up? The more important question is, can we afford to not learn the lesson now? It's important to look at some other important aspects. Most of the viruses enter the human race from some animals. For example, genetic analysis of COVID-19 virus suggests it originated in bats. 1918 flu, which killed 5 crore people globally, had its origin in birds. HIV originated in chimpanzees. Ebola also came from bats. Swine flu originated in pigs. We get a bulk of these diseases by playing too much with nature, encroaching on forests, and by commercializing the lives of animals. People are eating all kinds of fancy animals, from bats to octopus to camels to rats. Should we not learn a lesson? I am not passing any statement, but leaving you with a question to ponder. Is it fair to just value human lives and torture every other animals for our taste buds? If we play with nature, will nature not play with us? Also, the current situation is attracting so much attention because it is affecting everyone without looking at the income level of people. But millions die every year from TB, malaria, diarrhea, and none of us seem to care. Is it because it affects largely the poor strata of the population? Should we not worry about diseases which are 100% preventable but are still killing millions of us every year? Can we take a pledge together? Keep your hand on your heart and repeat after me. I am serious. Repeat after me. I pledge to take good care of my super body. Thank you. It's not just important for us, but for our elders and the next generation. Some people say eating healthy is costly. I would say it's much cheaper than spending rupees 15 to 20 lakhs on diabetic and cancer treatments. Can you put a price tag on increasing your lifespan by 10 years? Let's come back to the challenge I posted to you in the beginning of the course. Though virus is one of the worst things to happen ever, can we turn it into a blessing and a gift by learning lessons from it, by becoming better from this experience? Can we improve our immune system and our health so that millions of lives could be saved in future? I hope your answer is yes, and you take some action to come out stronger from this horrifying experience. We do realize that changing habits is not easy and requires handholding. And nutrition is such a vast subject that it cannot be taught in a few sessions. Expert advice is required to eat healthy depending on your body type. At TrueWeight, with over 100 dietitians and doctors, our mission is to make the world a healthier and a better place, one meal at a time. If you have found the course to be useful, can you request all your friends and family members to do this course? Can you share your certificate on Facebook, Instagram to spread awareness about the course? You never know whose lives you could be saving by sharing this course. Can I request you to make at least 10 people complete this course? Thank you. Let's do our bit to make the world a better place, where there is no fear, but hope. Where there is no disease, but vitality. Where there is no cruelty, but love. Where there is no misery, but happiness. Where there is no cancer, but only I can. Thanks again for watching the course. Stay healthy.